Got your back.
Talk to entry team. Entry team.
Go,
Negotiations have
post up
fallen
and
apart.
provide cover.
Attacking.
Move to secure the premises. Suspects are highly volatile.
No dice on the
Don't
door.
help the police in any way.
Ram it. Clear with the launcher.
Walk with me. Ready to knock.
I'm not going down.
I'm not throwing anything I have away.
Keep your hands up. On my six.
Right with you.
You're gonna search. Secure any contacts.
Secure Adam.
I'll zip it up.
My family's gonna be fucked without me.
Don't move.
Searching under the tables.
You wouldn't do the same for your family?
Civilian restrained.
Good to go.
Put your
This is Doc.
Drop it
Copy
now.
that.
Hands on
Trailers
your head.
incoming.
Get on the ground now. I need you to move. I need you to move.
Tell me what the charges are.
Red. Post up.
Affirmative.
Look, come on. I was just...
Police! Hands in the air! Police!
Get out of my house!
Get on the
Go
ground
to
now!
hell.
Police!
I'm
Down
not
on your
going
knees!
anywhere.
Hands up now! Put your fucking hands up! Put your hands up!
Son of a bitch.
I did not do anything.
I'm in the wrong
Entry team got it. Civilian good to go for
Ceiling in
evac.
my sight.
Where are
Talk
you
to
going?
element.
What are you
Copy
doing?
entry team. Notifying
It's the
trailers.
money, man.
I don't have anything to do.
On me.
Got you six.
Tell me why you are here.
Hey, I don't have anything against you guys. Just know that.
Move in and clear it.
Ready.
Pie the door.
No contact.
Moving in!
Secure.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Fall in behind me.
Behind you.
Up yours!
Get down on
Okay,
your
just
knees.
hurry up.
Move over here.
I got
Turn
it.
around. Don't get up.
We have to do this.
We've got...
Take these off me, douchebag.
Element, talk.
Get
Get
down!
hands ready.
I won't move.
Talk
Hands
to
on your
element.
head. Do it now.
Roger. Trailers inbound.
Is this gonna take
Don't
long?
shoot.
Police! Don't move! Steam clear.
Moving up.
Finger out. Get down! Keep your hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Hands up! Do it
Empty
now!
here. No contact.
Dynamic
Going
movement.
into
Make
cup,
them
10-4.
secure. On me.
Talk reporting. Roger that. Trailers en route.
Cuffing. Keep quiet.
Hands in the air!
Suspect cuffed and secure. Suspect good to go.
Talk to entry team. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Put a jam on that door.
I'll block it.
Jammed.
Down on the ground! Move! Check it with the wand. Get the jam. Move in and clear.
Acknowledged.
You gonna read me my rights, Chief?
Opening on the right. You gonna move?
Move, staying clear.
No problem. Deploying stinger.
Keep an eye out. I've had so Police, hands up! Get down on your knees, hands up! On my six.
I'm with you.
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
I have the worst luck in the world.
Somebody,
Put your hands
I'll
up!
do whatever you say.
Hands up above your head! Dynamic movement. Move and clear. Moving! Police, get your hands up!
We don't have any guns. Please, don't shoot.
Got nothing here.
Nothing here, sir. I'm going!
You're gonna be okay. Stay
Got
on
an
me.
opening up ahead.
Point.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Moving in ahead.
Talk reporting.
You're gonna be okay.
Roger that. Trailers en route.
Cuffed and ready. Talk. Good to go. Entry team to
Talk
talk.
to entry team.
Civilian secure.
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Through the door and clear.
That's affirmative.
Let's go! Let me see those hands!
Got an
Hands
opening
up!
here.
Police! Drop the weapon and hands on your head! Move over here. Secure the area. Roger.
Talk reporting.
Stay down.
Copy, entry team notifying trailers.
I'm not seeing anything.
Entry team to talk. Suspect in custody. On me. Move.
I'm with you.
Split and cover.
In position.
Locked. How do you want to do it? C2 and Stinger. Done. Charge ready. Setting it now. Put your head, get down! Put your hands up and get down slowly! Put your hands up now! Police, get down! Support. Give up! Not worth it! Turn around slowly.
Fuck!
Talk to entry
Stay on
team.
me.
Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Turn around and stay still.
Restraining.
What? The police?
Suspect ready to go. Talk.
One cop.
Element to talk. Suspect
This is
secure.
talk.
Ready for pickup.
Roger. Trailers inbound.
Get down! I want to see hands! Make them secure.
I'll get him ready. I got it. Don't worry.
This can't be happening.
Good to go. Civilian is secure.
Provide
Talk
support
to
on me.
element.
Take me in?
Roger, entry team.
Down on the
Great work.
ground,
Keep
now!
going.
Hands up! Hands on your head, move! Hands up, down on your knees! Keep your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands on your head, now! Get on the ground, now! Get on the ground, now! Police, down on the ground! Down on your knees! Hands up, now!
Move towards me.
Thank God.
Search the room for contact.
Done.
Stop.
Take me in. But let me talk to my family, all right?
Don't shoot.
Arrest him.
I got it.
Fall in.
I got you. Civilian,
This has
ready
to
to
be a
go.
mistake.
Ready to go.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Tell me what the charges are.
My dad just makes adult films. I don't
Use a
know.
grenade launcher, then move and clear.
Hands up, drop the weapon! Put your fucking hands up!
Fall in behind me.
You got point.
Provide support on me.
Got your back.
Restrain him.
I got cuffs.
Fall in.
On your six. You have the right to
LSPD,
remain.
come
Don't
out!
resist.
Anything you do or say.
On me. Move.
I got it.
Whatever it
Can
is,
you
I'm
do the
not
same for your family?
I'm only here for paycheck.
Ready for transport.
Talk to element.
Safe.
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Checking in.
Put your hands up!
Turn around
Moving into
slowly.
handcuffs.
Ow!
Lead to talk.
Do these have to
Civilian
be
ready
tight?
for transport.
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Get down on your knees!
Please, God.
Get down!
Get me
I've
away
got
from
too
here.
much at stake.
You guys
Drop
are...
CS.
You're supposed to keep us safe.
Deploying
Provide support.
On your six.
Hands on your head, do it, drop it, and get down! Drop the weapon, now get down on the floor! Get down and keep your hands up!
Not me. I'm not going down. You. Drop your guns.
Get down, I want to see hands!
No way, no how. Not a fucking chance.
Hands up now!
You're in my
Drop
way,
to your
sir.
knees!
I'm not going down.
Drop the weapon, and drop the weapon now! Get on
No
the
way,
fucking
no
ground!
how.
Hands up, do it now!
Cuff him.
I got cuffs. Look away and don't move.
Don't shoot. I do
Got
security,
ready.
that's all.
Flying. Element to top.
Talk to entry team.
Good to go.
Roger. Trailers inbound.
Stay down and turn around.
Entry team to talk. Civilian is secured.
Talk to entry team. Copy. Move on.
Just let me go, okay?
On me.
Behind you.
I copy. All clear here. We got company. All right, all right.
Now!
Zip him up.
Making it safe.
Just
Got 'em
make
all
sure
zipped up.
my pay goes to my
Securing.
kids.
Split the door.
I'm good
Hey,
to go.
I don't have anything against you guys.
Get the door and
Just know
clear
that.
with CS.
All right.
Breaching!
All we right. Nothing.
Falling behind me.
I'm awake.
Give me a C2, then clear with CS.
Deployed and ready. Ready
You
and
gonna tell me what this is even about?
Down the ground! Move! Police, hands up!
Opening on the
On
right.
my
Got an
six.
opening up ahead. Right with you.
Drop the weapon down! Get
I'm
down.
done with this.
Down
Hurry
on
up,
your
right?
knees, hands
I'll
up!
get them ready. Don't worry. This isn't
Coming
about
into
you.
handcuffs.
Civilian restraint. I just need to talk. Got it back.
The money's
Somebody's
mine,
ready for
right?
a trip downtown.
This
I
is
can keep
Doc.
that?
Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Fuck.
Split and provide cover on that door.
Don't just leave me here.
Red team, split the stack and provide cover.
You're in my way, sir.
Blue team,
You gonna read me my rights, Chief?
cover this area. All teams. Red. Open it. Clear with CS. Go, go, go! Red team. Move. Clear with CS.
Roger. CS out.
Open the door. Use a launcher to clear.
Acknowledge.
Going in!
Opening on the right.
You gonna take me in?
Got an opening here.
Hands up! Drop to your knees! Put your hands up!
Nothing. Checking the deck.
Blue. On my six.
Let's go!
Leave the talk. Bagging it up. Stay on me.
I got you.
What about my money from Voll? Do I get to keep that?
Tell me what the charges are. You gonna take me in? LSPD.
Police, get down
Yes,
on the
sir.
ground!
Look away. Don't move.
This is fucking bullshit.
Lead, talk. Suspect in custody.
Doc reporting. Copy that. Trailers incoming.
Charges are?
Moving clear with a grenade launcher.
Take me in. But let me talk to my family, all right?
Down
Got
on
an
your
opening up
goddamn
ahead.
knees now! Police,
Opening on the
get
right.
down!
Opening on the left.
Turn around. Don't get up.
Looking for both. I do my goddamn job here.
Good to go.
Search and secure.
10-4.
Tell me what the...
Secure the area.
10-4.
Look, come on. I was...
Talk to entry
Can you
team.
tell me what the charges are?
Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.